Currently here at the Kentenkren Waterfall here in Koforidua. The place is called Kentenkren, and that's what you're looking at right now. It's rained at different places along the stretch of the river, and this is the Densu River, and this is a waterfall which is a little known waterfall here in Koforidua. If you are watching this, probably you've never heard of it before, and if you've heard of it before, maybe you've never seen it up close like this. I actually came here to do some drone shots, but it's raining and we are just hoping for it to kind of like calm down a little bit so that we can fly the drone. But that's what you're looking at. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit. Yeah, so that's the waterfall there. It's not a huge waterfall. It's not really tall, but it's what we've got when it comes to the Densu River, and it looks really nice. This is some of the highest levels you can get with the Densu River. It's really filled up, like it's a ton of water flowing down the Densu River here. I was hoping to get some long exposure shots, just waiting for the rains to kind of calm down a little bit, and then we'll take it from there. Sorry for the blurriness on the screen. It's basically on the camera. It's rainy here, and I don't have anything to clean my lens, so we'll have to make do with that. This is probably my I think third or fourth time coming here, and every time I come it's a different experience. I think the first time we had to walk all the way from there to this side. We couldn't get close to where the waterfall actually is. The second time I think I couldn't get close enough, so I had to go back. The third time I came with the PhotoWalkGH team, and we also couldn't get a way to come in here. We had to use one of there is this side here. It's really bushy. We had to clear a way for ourselves, and this is the fourth time I think I'm coming here. Decided to use a different route. Right here, this one goes into the Kentenkren township. This one goes into, they call the place Abodium, this side. And there's even a railway, like the old railway that was in Koforidua. You can also find that right about here. The rains is kind of like coming down and looks good. I'm about to set up and see if we can get some long exposure shots. We'll be right back. So basically those are some of the shots we got. If you want to see the entire video, check my other video. You can see it in the description below, or it should be at the corner somewhere here. So that's the full length video, but this was just more like a sneak peek of what that video is about. We are done here. Actually the rain stopped for us to get those shots, and 3 batteries dead, so we gotta go. A big thanks to our guy who helped us come here and you know, check the place out. This is my first time using this route, so he helped me get to this place. Where from? Plastics making here. So top, you know, like ball and for you.
Like who's in super?
If you go I that's it. Na I wash ya baby go hano. Wow. So there you have it. The dirt we are doing upstream is coming over here to hunt us back, and I think the Densu is doing a pretty good job of bringing out the rubbish we do. So that's it for this video. I think this will be my second vlog. it's more like impromptu. I normally don't plan doing these things, so I hope you enjoyed this one too. Make sure to check the video in the description for the full-length video of this place. I will probably come here some other time, and when the water is low and it's like there's a ton of sunshine around, so that I can get also great shots too. If you want to locate this place, I'll leave the directions to this place in the description as well, so you can find it on Google Maps. The locals will be more than happy to help you locate the place and come see the place. So that's it from me. I'm Kofi, and I hope you enjoyed this one. Thanks. Bye. Yeah. Now it's time to climb this thing once again.